Hello friends, Namaskar. The most important thing in the share market is the stock you buy. Any mistake in stock selection will deprive you of profits, rather incur losses. I must tell you friends, everyone can find out strong stock for very short term having momentum for trading with three parameters only. We have been talking of these three parameters off and on, and these three parameters are revenue, EBITDA and net profit margin. Today let us examine two such stocks from the hospitality sector. I am sure by the time we finish this video, you will be able to decide yourself which stock is better at present for buying. So let us go and find out the stock. Today friends, the stock which I am going to talk to you is Apollo Hospital. Now the numbers of Apollo hospitals have come, but before we check on with the numbers of Apollo Hospital, let us take a technical check. If you see, this is a weekly chart of Apollo Hospital, and so far on the weekly chart the buy signal has not come. Buy signal will come like this when both are in the up direction only. Let us check with the daily charts of Apollo Hospital. This is daily chart of Apollo Hospital. The current price yesterday was, closing price at 3:30 p.m. was 5,802. If you see here on the daily chart, it is so far not given a buy signal like this. Both the moving average of 2 and the price line, which is blue, is in the down direction. On the weekly chart also this is not has given buy signal. On the daily chart also it has not given buy signal. But I must tell you, it is going to be very attractive because RSI is nearing 42. If it falls down further, it can become very attractive stock. Let us check with the fundamentals of Apollo Hospital. The parameters which we are considering is revenue. Revenue means sales, EBITDA margins and net profit margins for comparing it with Q3 and Q4 and year to year. Revenue, if you see 3% quarter to quarter growth and 15% growth is year to year, which is not a good growth as far as the quarter is concerned. EBITDA margin is 1% quarter to quarter and 6% year to year. Net profit margin rose by, or the growth was 3% and year to year it was minus 7%. Friends, in the TV channels it was said it has given a beautiful, wonderful revenues, EBITDA and net profit margin on year to year basis and Q to Q basis. I don't think it is so. You should be very careful, because at present it is not giving any buy signal. This actually we have already seen, it is not given buy signal neither on the daily chart or on the weekly chart. The sales figure, EBITDA and revenue also is not very promising. Keep this in mind. What you should do, in my opinion, the strategically is that if RSI comes closer to 30, only then it should be purchased. Otherwise the two lines, these pink line, and they must be in the up direction. So at present hold the stock it is not recommended. I think it is not recommended for purchase. Let us go to another stock. This is Narayana Hrudayalaya, another hospitality sector stock. It closed at 1189 on Friday. That means yesterday. If you see, friends, even Narayana Hrudayalaya, if you see the price and the moving average of 2, it has not given a buy signal, but RSI is 38. You can really see RSI is also in a declining stage. It can still fall down by 15 or 20 rupees, definitely. But now what makes me take this product with you today is, one thing was the RSI where we should keep up an eye, and second thing was the parameters. See, this actually gives the momentum to the stock. Revenue quarter to quarter growth 20%, year to year 11%, EBITDA says 66%. Fabulous. Year to year 37%. Net profit margin, see, it has gone up by 90% quarter to quarter, and year to year it has gone by 58%. I think if I take 5 stocks of at present, Narayana Hrudayalaya will be one of them strongest stocks in the National Stock Exchange. Friends, you compare the results of both yourself and decide which stock you should buy. I am sorry, the Narayana Hrudayalaya, both the places it has come is the weekly. No, this is of Narayana Hrudayalaya. You know, you can see the weekly chart. This is weekly chart, and now see, this is actually trying to go up. On the weekly chart, let it go up, you can buy. Otherwise, those of you who are aggressive can take some position in Narayana Hrudayalaya now, and then buy when full quantity, buy when on weekly chart it goes up. Friends, my own assumption is that this has touched 1700, 1200 and 1700. That means it has got a chance to go up by 50% in the next 3 months. I am very sure Narayana Hrudayalaya will definitely touch its all-time high of over 1700, giving you scope of profit up to 50%. I have placed before you both the strong stocks. You take your decision. I have already made purchases of Narayana Hrudayalaya. Friends, thank you very much, and have a nice day. Remain with me. Whenever possible, I will come out with a video, strong stocks. So my okay today is for Narayana Hrudayalaya. Thank you very much.